Hello students. I hope you all are learning through the virtual classrooms. That is the videos and the worksheets we are providing to you. So our word for today is virtual, virtual and real only. So you might have studied about virtual and real images in your junior classes whenever we were talking about the image formation. But have you ever seen a real and virtual image? So today we will be talking about the real and virtual images through the demonstration. So till now, and why we are doing this today? Because till now we have studied about the plane mirrors, then laws of reflection, image formation in case of plane mirrors. We have read about spherical mirrors. Then we have done the some important terminologies related to spherical mirrors. But before we come to the image formation, and whenever we will be drawing the image, and when it comes to writing down the nature of the image, these two words always we will be using. The image is either virtual or real. So, to make you understand the concept very easily, I have set up a apparatus here, and then I'll demonstrate you also. Now here I have, now here you can see I have kept the spherical mirrors. These are spherical mirrors, both types. The first one, if I touch, this is bulged outward, so this is your convex mirror, and this is your then concave mirror. I can touch and then you can feel it after touching also. And like in my last video, I have demonstrated through the image formation also how will you differentiate, right? Then I have a candle here. I have kept a candle stand also. This is a candle. Then we have a screen. You can see a screen. The screen I have made it with a whiteboard. Even you can use a notebook also for the same. Notebook also will have the same, but that should be your backside of the notebook. That would be very helpful for you. Now I'll show which mirror is forming. Like if I take a concave case of concave, what kind of image will it be forming? Although whenever we are talking about the definition of the virtual and real images, for real we always say the images, this is with the definition that the real images are always formed on the screen, or we can obtain the image on the screen, whereas for the virtual we cannot obtain the image on the screen. So here I will show you what actually the real word means and how with the screen I'll give you a demonstration. So the first setup is, now this is the setup here. I have lighted a candle and kept it in the middle between the screen. This is a screen and this is a mirror. I've kept it on a stand. So this is the mirror which I have taken is a concave mirror, right? Now I'll be only focusing. So this is the arrangement if you look from far. So this is the arrangement. So now if I have put off the light so that you can focus nicely on the screen. Now you see here, you can see on the screen, you can see a very this kind round kind of reflection, that is of the concave mirror. Now I will slowly slide this mirror. You focus on the screen. Now I will slightly take the mirror little far. Now you keep on looking at the image on the screen. Now can you see the, now focus here. Now can you see the image of the candle here? Can you see the image of the candle? Yes. And how is the image? Can you tell me the nature of the image? It is inverted. It is downward. The flame is going downward, whereas the candle you can see here and the image is inverted, right? Can you see that? Now, two things that you can notice here is, First, the image we can obtain here on screen. This type of image we call as real image. And the second thing is the image is inverted. That means the real images are always inverted. And with which mirror we have got this real and inverted image? I have used a concave mirror. So concave mirror has given us a an inverted and real image. Real image definition itself says the image which can be obtained on screen. Now, how do we know virtual images are not obtained on the screen? So for this, we will replace the concave mirror with the convex mirror. I'll put a setup for you again here. You can again, now the arrangement is little disturbed. Again, I have to focus it. Now here you can see it nicely, right? You can see now. Now this is again a setup to show you the virtual image. So again, I have replaced, the arrangement is the same, like candle is between the mirror and the screen, and the only thing I have replaced is instead of concave I have put a convex mirror now. Now you see, you again focus the same. I will take it near or far to get the image, right? Now you again focus on the screen. This is the screen we have, right? This is the screen. Now if I bring the mirror closer, you see clearly. Now if I am bringing the mirror closer to the candle, or if I am taking it far, can you see the image on the screen? No, you cannot. You can only see the glow of the candle, but you cannot see, like in your previous uh, case, you saw the inverted image of the candle on the screen. But here I am taking this far also, and I am bringing it near also, but there is nothing you can see on the screen. So does that mean that no image is formed? No, not really. We can still see the image formed in the mirror. I can show you this thing also. If I take this thing here, now you tell me about the nature. This is the mirror, right? Now, what can you like? Let me bring it little. Okay. Now, what can you tell me about? Now here, can you see this? So what can you, how you are seeing the image in the mirror? What how it is? It is erect. It is not inverted. You can see the erect image. But what else did you see? You saw that it cannot be. You saw just in the screen. If I talk about in the screen, you did not see any image. But images there, that is in the mirror. So what are virtual images? The images which cannot be obtained on the screen. And second difference which you can notice is here the image is erect. The image is erect. That means the virtual images are erect, or always erect. So, and which mirror has formed this kind of image? This is convex mirror. So convex mirror always form virtual and erect image. Can you see again? Again focus. I'm just focusing on this. You see the image inside. This is a mirror which I am holding and candle in front of you. You can see the image clearly. So this was a simple demonstration to show you the difference between virtual and real images and how can we obtain them. So rest of the differences you can learn, but the basic one is, first is the virtual images cannot be obtained on screen and the real images can be obtained on screen. Second is real images are always inverted and virtual images are always erect. So for before we proceed to the spherical mirrors, ray diagrams or the formation of image in case of spherical mirrors, you should have to be well versed with the real and virtual cases. So once the school starts, we can practice this also the same in the school also. Till then, you keep reading the assignment we are providing, and if um, and I hope we will soon meet in the real classrooms. So thank you and stay safe at home.